Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable automatic downloads for your game updates or your system software on the PlayStation 4. So everything should be ready to go when you sign on. Now to utilize this feature, if we hold down the PlayStation button, we want to go to where it says power right here and then go to enter rest mode instead of turning off our PlayStation 4. When we're in rest mode, we can download things from the internet and it's a low power state. Should only cost about $6 to $7, $8 a year, depending on what model of the PlayStation 4 you have. But to turn this on, let's go to settings right here, and then go on down to where it says power saving settings. Then under here, let's go to set features available in rest mode. Then we have supply power to USB ports. If your PlayStation is a little bit louder than normal, well, you can try turning this off. But then we want to go to stay connected to the internet. Make sure we have this selected. While in rest mode, the PS4 can download update files and content and upload saved data. Then also enable PS4 turning on from the network. If you're already using remote play, I like this. Then we can turn on keep applications suspended. Applications are kept suspended while in rest mode. Next time you use the PS4, you can quickly continue. So we have this check marked right here. Now we can back out of here and we want to go down to where it says system and then go to automatic downloads. And then we can go to system update files right here. Check mark this, then allow restart, check mark that, and application update files, check mark right here. So this will automatically update your games on your PlayStation 4 and then your system software, and it should apply the update and restart if you do need to do that with the system software. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.